guy showed up again. Chief, you guys saw him on my freaking live stream on Twitch. This is the Karma. It's electric, obviously. It's prototype number 2. I haven't even seen the side, and I know it says that. Watch, it's gonna say prototype right there. Watch, look. Told you. Look who showed up. The Mercedes with the fur. He was right behind the CA, and I didn't even know about it. How could I not notice this? Woo-wee. Nah, let me hear it though. That's what I want to hear. I want to hear it. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Ain't no goddamn takeover. Ooh, damn. Damn, that sounds freaking fire. Oh, no wing GTR? That's scary. Just a little bit more. Just a little more. A little bit more. There's flames coming out. I swear to God. Oh my God, that sounds insane. Dude, that sounds crazy. Holy shit! Yo, bro, I was recording that and it just stopped out of nowhere. Like, what the fuck? Like, what? Oh my God. At least you guys got to see some of it. God damn it. Damn! According to people that I've heard, this guy shoots mad fast. God damn, he's loud as too. Oh shit! Oh, he spawned the cops. He spawned the cops. Yeah. Why would you leave? Oh my God. I got enough of it. I got enough of it. I got enough. The street's empty. Oh, mother. Damn. Okay. Oh, yeah, let me hear it, dude. Oh, God damn. It just broke his. We got the Z shooting flames. Past the red light too. Damn, I didn't think it was gonna do anything. Oh, fuck, I did not think that R33 was gonna do anything. Shit, I missed it. Damn. This is the one that was doing it earlier, but I couldn't hear it. Fucking A, hell no. And he came back. And he came back. What the hell? He left for a little bit, showed off, and then came back. What the heck? Ooh, some Tokyo drift shit's happening. And the fun's done. Damn, yep. There's no third spot or second spot, I should say. Yo, guys, that was an insane meet. Like always, base community always throw some freaking bangers. But that's gonna do it for today's video. There's a bunch of pulls I did not expect. There was a bunch of undercover cops that were actually here, but we just thought they were freaking black Suburbans. We should have known. But the cops are here. They're like, I'm looking at about like 7 of them right now, and then there's freaking undercover Suburbans, like I said. But yeah, bro, that's C8, dude. If you guys don't know him, I don't know what the hell you guys are in the car community for, but like, that's my boy Tariq right there. He has like a bunch of bikes. He has that C8. He had a C7. It was also black and white, and also like 2-step mastered, bro. Like, that guy won every trophy, dude. And I'm gonna have to go pretty soon because these cops are staring me down, bro. But that C8 was indeed loud. That color is insane. And yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you guys subscribe because all my videos are like this. Also follow the Twitch, it's in the description, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh, I'm covered all black, goddammit.